Hi, and welcome to the Mostly Mike Show's all-new 2-minute quickie tips and reviews. When I finish, I'll ask, was it good for you? There's no BS, a little humor, and I always get the point across. This video is a review on the DeWalt Power Shear attachment for your cordless driller driver. And the clock's running, so let's go. First, let's check out the package. Nice presentation, pretty much just the DeWalt sheet metal shear attachment tool itself. Made in Taiwan. I bought mine locally for $60, but I'll include the Amazon link in the description, which will help this channel out tremendously if you click and buy it or anything from Amazon within 24 hours. I believe it's around $45 on there at the time of this video. The shear attachment is impact ready, installs quickly on many different brands and models of cordless drills, but it seems most congenial with the DeWalt models by design and color coordination. Let's do a quickie install and see how it works. I didn't see if my drill was on the list, but I must have got lucky. You should check if your drilling or driving unit is copacetic for the DeWalt Power Shear attachment before using. Now there's a slotted screw on the side where you can adjust the blade tension for different materials. In my experience, the factory setting seems to work for my shearing needs thus far. The head is also pivotal for optimum positioning and ergonomics. You can feel kind of a detent where it locks where it's in line with the drill, and then you just tighten the set screw up. I tested the DeWalt Power Shear attachment tool on the usual suspects around the house, including fascia, steel stovepipe, square duct, cardboard, and vinyl siding. I even tried to cut the cheese with it, and although it did okay on this habanero jack, a knife or other special cheese cutting tool would be a better choice. It didn't cut the mustard very well at all. My final thoughts? I like the overall quality and feel as well as the cutting performance. It rocks doing long rip cuts on fascia. The only thing that I don't like is that it's not made in America. I like to support American workers and their livelihoods. I would definitely recommend the DeWalt Power Shear attachment tool if cutting sheet goods is your thing. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks for joining me on this 2-minute quickie. Was it good for you? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.